Oh. Oh, Morphe, you get me. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. Today I'm going to be doing this crazy purple, Eastery, summery, springy look. I don't know. I just really like the purple shimmer kind of duochrome looking thing. And if you want to see how I got this look, just follow along. Okay, so I'm going to start out with my brows as usual. I'm going to use my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade with the Anastasia brush and just fill in my eyebrows. I really need to get them done, so no judging. But I think I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. So this maybe my next video, my eyebrows will be looking alright. Okay, so that is one brow done. I'm going to clean up underneath them, do the other one. I will be right back. Okay, and then next I'm going to prime my eyes using my Inglot primer and my Royal and Langnickel precision angled brush. Okay. And then for my eyes today, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette, my favorite right now. And I'm going to set that primer with the white shadow. Okay, and then I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Elizabeth Mott and go in with this light pink shade right up here. And I'm going to just blend that into the crease. Okay, and then to deepen up the crease a little bit, I'm going to go in with this light purple shade. A little bit lower into the crease. And then to deepen it up even more, I'm going to go in with this bright purple right here. And this time I'm going to keep it more on the outer third of my eye. And then with a pencil brush like this, I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade right here. And then just blend that on the very outer corner of my eye, just to give myself a little bit more depth. And then I'm just going to blend it out a little bit more with that same fluffy brush. And then for my actual lid, I'm going to take this flat shader detail smudger brush by Bond and Hide. I'm going to wet it, yet again because I love my sparkles, wet it with my setting spray. And then I'm going to use this sparkly purple right here. And just blend that on the open area of my lid that I haven't put shadow on yet. And then just for a little bit of pop of color right in the middle, I'm going to go in with this sparkly pink shade right up here with my finger and just tap that on the center of my lid, just for a little bit of depth. Wow. And then I am going to add some eyeliner. I'm going to use my Tarteist liquid clay liner with my IT Cosmetics brush, like always. Okay, and then I'm going to do my face makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, now that my face is all done, I'm just going to finish off under my eyes. I'm going to use that same pencil brush with the darker purple shade right here, and just smoke that underneath my eyes. I don't know what it is, but I love the way purple eyeshadow looks with blue eyes. I don't know what it is. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use my Double Decker Lashes one by Butter London. And then I'm going to use my Cover FX Shimmer Veil because I want a little bit more pop in the center of my lid. I'm going to use that same shimmer veil on the inner corner of my eyes. And then for lips today, I'm going to be using my NYX Lingerie in Embellishment. And then to warm that up a little bit to match my eyes, I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar lip color in My Lips Are Sealed. And I just dab this into the middle. Okay. And then just to set everything into place, I'm going to use my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And that is the final look. I am loving the way it turned out. I've been wanting to do a purple look for basically since I did Valentine's Day one a couple months ago, because I just love purple. Purple isn't even my favorite color, I just love the way it looks on makeup. I'll give you a close-up of my eyes. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I absolutely love having you guys. I know this, I say that every video, but I really mean it. I love that my friends have actually watched all these videos. And I can't believe that you guys have all been so supportive, and I can't believe I'm up to 20 something subscribers. Like, most of those people are people that I don't even know. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy that people actually want to see me. I know 20 something is not a lot, but I think it's a lot, and I think that it's impressive. But if you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel, and I would love to see you guys again. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!